Hello and welcome to marketing91.com. In this video, we are going to cover the topic on paradigm shift. Before we proceed any further, please do note that we publish 3 marketing videos daily on YouTube. So please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the definition of paradigm shift. It is a crucial shift that takes place when the standard way of thinking or doing something is changed to a new and distinct way. Moving on, what is paradigm shift? A paradigm shift means a significant change in the ideation and how something works or is carried out. It can take place in many different contexts. Paradigm shifts mostly takes place when innovative technology is brought in. It dramatically changes the method of manufacturing or production of a service or good. From a new business perspective, paradigm shift is generally a change in how things are seen, should be made, done, or thought about. A whole new department can be introduced or removed during a paradigm shift. New equipment worth millions or at times billions of dollars need to be bought in some cases. Meanwhile, older equipment is recycled or sold. What is paradigm and paradigm shift, or a connection between them? Paradigms are frameworks that have unmentioned rules and that dictate actions. When one paradigm loses its control and another one takes over, a paradigm shift takes place. Background of paradigm shift, or the origin. Paradigm shift was first defined by American philosopher and physicist Thomas Kuhn. The concept involves a radical change in the basic experimental practices and ideas in the scientific field. Kuhn only used the term for the natural sciences. However, the idea of a paradigm shift has been used in various non-scientific conditions as well. It is used to highlight a tremendous shift in the foundation model and on how events are seen. Kuhn presented in his notion of paradigm shift in his influential book, The Structure of Science Revolutions in 1962. Moving on to paradigm shift example. The internet created a paradigm shift in the way business is conducted. There are many examples to this. First, when computers replaced typewriters in office spaces, it caused a massive shift. Electronic mails or emails completely changed the way traditional mails were delivered. Scanners have made fax machines almost obsolete. Instead of hustling or standing in queues for movie tickets, they can now be bought online. The process of hailing a cab has changed. Now they can be booked from mobile apps. A client can buy or sell securities online directly. Zoom, Google Teams, etc. now allow meetings to be hosted without having to meet up physically. Moving on, lectures can be given online as they have been since the pandemic. Surgical procedures can now be carried out smoothly through the medium of video conferencing, or as called telemedicine. Social media lets people across the globe socialize in a matter of moments. Customers can use social media to connect with companies and put forth their grievances, something that was not common 20 years ago. Now, the era of personalized marketing. Traditionally, marketing focused on delivering same experience to a larger set of audience. The mass marketeers from yesteryears profitably used methods like billboard, print ads, and TV ads. The arrival of the internet brought a new goal of individualized marketing with them. Assets like real estate and vehicles are being sold online. Now let's look at some real-life examples of paradigm shift and Tesla. First, electric vehicle. Electric cars are only one of many improved and innovative mediums of transport that will be used widely. Tesla makes cars by creating software on unique hardware, similar to that of what Apple does to modify the range of iPhones, or how Microsoft leverages Dell PCs and Intel chips. The functionality of car software is improved every few weeks by the company. This is very different from old school auto industry model where the product stayed the same as for long as it is driven. The total price of owning a Tesla is a lot lower because it has lesser parts in comparison to an internal combustion car. It doesn't need costly muffler replacements, tune-ups, or oil changes. Additionally, Elon Musk is optimistic that automatic vehicles will make traveling by road and save many lives. The next in line by Tesla is Hyperloop. Elon Musk understands that space for infrastructure in the populated cities is shrinking. This applies to all modes of transport. Tunnels aren't a new innovation. However, Boring Company is bringing in recent innovations to cut down the construction cost. Hyperloop is one of Elon Musk's most innovative concepts. It is an entirely new form of traveling. It lets trains or single pods, which can contain cars, move almost at the speed of sound. This is in a vacuum tube with zero friction. And the final offering from Elon Musk has been the Space Exploration Technology, a space travel services company. It is also an aerospace manufacturer. It was formed by Elon Musk in 2002. It aims to make space transportation cheaper to allow Mars to be colonized. So that's it, folks. This brings an end to the topic on paradigm shift. These are some of the sources and links referred to for the content in the video. If you have liked the video, do subscribe to our channel where you'll witness 3 new videos daily. Additionally, if you want to view these videos in an organized manner, you can visit freecourses.net, where all our videos are arranged in the form of courses. Thank you and see you in the next video.